Hey guys, thank you for coming to my channel. If you haven't yet, please hit the like button and also subscribe. Okay, so today I did this look right here for 4C and 4B hair. My hair is like really kinky tight, and I also have a fade, if you can't tell. You know, a little fade on the sides. And so there's a lot of hair tutorials for like natural hair, but none about natural hair with the fade. So y'all look. God bless y'all. If you want this look, keep watching. Bye. Hey guys, so let's get started with the tutorial. So we're gonna start off with Maya's curl smoothie, and then we're gonna use Maya's leave-in conditioner. Then we're gonna have that dimming brush. You know it, girl. And then we're gonna go in with the Eco Styler gel to smooth everything out. So we're gonna start off with our Maya's curl smoothie, and we're just gonna use a little bit of that, and we're just gonna start with the back end, just work it through our hair. So this is pretty short hair, so we don't have to do a lot or use a lot of product, but we're just going to use it sparingly and kind of work it through. Yep, and so you're just gonna finger comb it out and kind of get it, you know, prepped and ready to style. Then we're going to take our Maya's leave-in conditioner, and we're just going to work that through the hair as well. The leave-in conditioner for Maya's is great because it just locks in a lot of moisture, and you can also use it on like day 5 of this hairstyle. Alright, so now we're going to go with the Eco Styler gel and our dimmer brush. And we're just going to get a good amount of Eco Styler gel, and we're going to place it on a section of our hair. It's best to work in small sections when doing this because you don't want to work with big sections and then they all kind of clunk in a huge section. You want to get a small section so they can clunk better in small sections and look like nicer curls and not just big clumps of curls. So you're just going to smooth it out and brush it. I brush my hair a lot when doing this, just to 1, detangle it, and then 2, to get it as smooth as possible and get the hair to clump. So you're just going to finger comb it, and finger combing it helps it to clunk better. And you see how they have clunked together? My natural curl pattern isn't that big. Like, they're not going to just curl that big together. You're going to have to train your hair to clunk like that. So I just kind of skipped to the end of the video, or close to the end, I guess. So you can see me actually do the front of my head because, you know, doing the back is kind of hard, especially when your equipment is not yet, you know, A1. So we're just going to work with the front now. And we're just going to part it. And just like I said, work with small sections. We don't want big clumps, okay? We want it to look like this is natural. Which is already natural, but you know what I mean. We don't want that S-curl, Jerry curl look, you know. So we're just going to put some more Eco Styler gel, and we're going to get it on the roots as well because we do not want the hair just to have style on the end. We want it to have style throughout the hair. And if you also start with the roots as well, the hairstyle will last longer. So now you're just going to brush after putting a good amount of Eco Styler gel on your section. You're going to brush and brush and brush. And you're going to brush until you feel like every strand is smoothed out. Keep it classy, have some fun. Alright, so you probably see where in the front of my hair where it just looks like it's straight, like the gel just made it straight. it's gonna curl up. That's what happens when you smooth it out a lot with your finger under the brush. And so you're just gonna kind of finger comb it, and then it's just gonna kind of coil back up. But also, even if it's straight after finger combing it, you're gonna also get your nifty blow dryer, and your blow dryer will also curl it up as well. So yeah, we have a lot of those long pieces, but you know, keep working with it. They're gonna curl back up. It's natural hair. It doesn't do what you want it to do. Okay, it does what it wants. It has its own mind. I love my natural hair, but it can give you a headache sometimes. It just does what it wants to, and you can't spank it because it's your head. So yeah, we're gonna keep just brushing until we get that smooth look. See how smooth that is? So now you're just gonna finger comb it out again and see how straight it is, and then it's just gonna slowly coil and curl back up. Okay, we don't have naps, we have curls. Yes. Right, and we're gonna go to the other section, and we're gonna do the same process. We are just going to put a lot of Eco Styler gel on there, and we're just gonna brush it. Also, remember to put a good amount, okay? If you put like a dime amount of Eco Styler gel in your hair, it's not really gonna do anything. You're gonna have to put a really good amount to where it forces the hair to clump together, and it, you know, forces it to smooth out. And the Denman brush plays a big part of it, because it just makes it clump and curl together. And so yeah, that was the last section. And then when you're done, you're just gonna kind of pull and kind of shape a little bit how you want it to look. Yes, girl. And you just put, you gotta remember those side parts, okay? Because those side parts are also part of the hair. You don't want to have nappy looking sides with curly top. So we gotta work that in. So now you're just gonna kind of shape it before you get the blow dryer. You see how? Yes, those curls are just popping. Okay. You better work it. Looking sexy. We are looking fine. You are not looking like a boy. Yeah. See, she agreed with me. All right, so now we're gonna get that blow dryer with the diffuser end, and we're just gonna diffuse our hair. And yes, you're gonna keep it on high. Gonna put it on high, and then you're gonna keep it on warm. We do not need to put it on a high heat, like on hot, because we're not frying the hair, we're not straightening it. We're just going to get it dry to the point where it's setting. You want that hair to set. Okay, you don't want it to, we don't put it on hot heat because we don't want it straight. We just want it to get, you know, dry. So when blow drying, you're just going to get it to where it's a good crunchy kind of, you know, feel to it. No, crunch does not mean flake. I know people are like, oh my gosh, crunchy, it's gonna flake. No, we just want to get to where it feels like it's set, you know. It's not gonna be completely dry at the roots, or at least I don't get it completely dry at the roots. You just want to get it to the ends, to where the point where they're set. Like if you rub your hair through it, it's just not gonna go to a big fluff because you ran your hands through it. You're gonna get it to where it's crunchy, to where it's set and it's clumped together, and it's gonna be like that for a while. So that's just pretty much how I'm gonna dry it. So now you're just gonna get your brush. I'm using my husband's brush. Yes, I stole this brush. And we're just gonna brush out those sides. We're gonna brush out the bag. You know, we're gonna have a couple of BBs, but I like the BBs because it looks like curls, and there are curls, okay? Work so hard to get them. I want to keep the ones that are naturally forming. So we're gonna keep those curls right there, and we're just gonna brush the ones that, you know, looks weird and it curls all the way back to the end to the baby hairs. You know, we don't want those. So we're just gonna brush it and, you know, look uniform. So now we're gonna kind of just style. I like my hair to look wild and yet tame. I don't like it looking perfectly like, oh my gosh. So yeah. So anyway, we're done with this look. I really love it. It's something that I can do easily. This hairstyle literally took an hour, literally from the time I washed it to the time you're seeing it now, and I finished. Alright, so this is the finished product. If you can see all of the curls. Yes, Lord. Yes. Thank you. Crazy. Anyway, listen. I can't tell you what he can do for you. I show you what he's done for me. Look at these curls. You see that? Yes. Yes. Now, I don't know why I have longer hair on this side and short on this side, but that's just natural hair, okay? Okay. Alright. Yeah, I see little BBs on the side and stuff. But I like those. Those are kind of cute. It adds character. Okay. Love this. So, I think it came out a success. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and hit the like button. Peace.